In a neon-lit kitchen, a coffee cup steals the scene by pretending to be a sassy talking mug. A delivery person slides into frame, slips, then reveals the package is a giant whoopee cushion that honks triumphantly. A ghost pops out of a cereal box, only to ask for milk and politely apologize for the fright. A phone tries to autocorrect jokes, turning punchlines into puns about laundry, leaving viewers groaning and giggling. The screen freezes mid-sneeze, and then restarts with the same gag loop, inviting everyone to rewatch and share.